Hello everyone, I'm Kathy. Today I'm going to show you how to connect this floor stand with the LED tube. Okay, here we go. Firstly, open the floor stand. Then connect this connector with the floor stand. Okay, this floor stand can support 1.5 LED tube in mechanism. Now connect the LED tube with the floor stand. Okay, next let's light up the LED tube. So firstly, connect the controller to power supply. Then connect this XLR cable to the controller. Then connect the XLR cable to LED tube. Then connect this LED tube to another tube.